It is a heated battle making headlines across the nation and about to wrap up here at home. We'll soon find out if it is legal that the state of Florida banned mask mandates in your children's school.
Closing arguments in that lawsuit with angry parents brought against the state happened today. WESH News' Bob Hazen listened in.
One side says the governor's order is unconstitutional and dangerous. The other, that the governor was well within his rights.
And we don't live in a monarchy or a dictatorship.
Lawyers for the family suing Governor Ron DeSantis told a Tallahassee judge he overstepped his authority by banning local school districts from requiring masks on students.
There can be no rational, reasonable, competent basis to prohibit school boards from complying with expert recommendations from the CDC.
This was closing arguments in the 4-day trial that could decide whether the governor's rule stands or falls. DeSantis' lawyer arguing it was a policy decision and separation of powers means the court should not be able to intervene.
The CDC is not the policy-making body of the state of Florida.
He claims studies are not conclusive about whether masks in schools work, and the governor got several expert opinions, including in these roundtable discussions, though the judge questioned whether DeSantis' mind was already made up.
He was able, like the policy had been decided before that roundtable, and that was confirmatory.
I don't believe that is. I don't believe that is what the video showed.
The plaintiffs want the judge to stop DeSantis' order, returning the question of mask mandates to the local school districts to decide for themselves.
To cease and desist the enforcement of the unconstitutional order that they are currently beating school districts down with to force compliance into unsafe environments.
The judge plans to issue his ruling by 10 o'clock Friday morning. Reporting in Orange County, Bob Hazen, WESH 2 News.